So let's take a look at the box. So I've been interested about these since they came out, since they were announced a few months back. They are interesting to me because this is the cheapest they've ever made. Like, this is not a successor to the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2. It's still sold along with it and it costs much cheaper than that. So let's just have a look real quick. So we can have two main features, which has fast charging as well as a 20-hour battery life. So we have the new upgraded OnePlus packaging, as you can see. Pretty sick box, I'll say. We have warp charge, we have long battery life, we talked about that. Magnetic control, so if you just like close these things, it will actually pause, which is pretty sick. It has some sweat and water resistance, which is cool as well. Okay, let's just open it one sec. Okay, so let's go for the peel. Okay, so the box feels really nice. I think it's made of the same material as the phones. Yeah, that's what we call them. Okay, so I think this is supposed to be, yeah, this is a back mechanism. Pretty straightforward, which is always nice. You can see a little bit of that here, and that's it. These are the OnePlus Bullets Wireless. See, what else we get in the box is a user guide and accessories, and the box feels nice, of course. So let's see what's in this. Okay, so we get a Type-C charger first of all. Okay, and this is inside. We get some spare buds thing, whatever that is, and we get okay, this should be something like an instruction. So this is the neckband itself. Let me just take it out of the box real quick here, and also should have a pretty sick magnet. That's pretty sick. And we do have a button over here and the charging over here, and it has warp charge, so it should charge at 30 watts. But I'll be using the standard OnePlus charger, which I think goes to, I have the dash charger, so it goes to 22 watts, which is still pretty fast. So yeah, that's it with the unboxing.